brief demo of mediation portal. I will also demonstrate the mediation automation system for end-to-end processing of the cases. Before I start, I would like to thank Honorable Lordship Shri Justice A.M. Khanwilkar, who gave us the innovative ideas for the mediation portal. Honorable Lordship has a very broad vision to make the mediation fully automated and completely paperless. Okay, let's start. To open the website, we need to log into www.mediationexc.gov.in and you will see this portal over there. On the top, here we have all the important links. Like we have Supreme Court here, then we have Bombay High Court, then we have Bar Council of India, and then we have Bar Council of Bombay. Next is Government of India and Government of Maharashtra as well. So these all are the important links. And then information, we have all the information about judges Bombay High Court, NCPC, MMC MMC Mumbai, HC MMSC for Bombay, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Goa. And then we have administration section. And then we have a section on mediation, complete panel of referral judges, judge mediators and advocate mediators. Then we are having an online mediation training in which mediators will be able to launch. Okay. Then we have online mediation training in which mediator will be able to register themselves and get the training material and videos, etc. Then we have information on all the facilities like existing infrastructure, office setup, library and proposed infrastructure which we are going to have soon. Then we have reports, all the statistical reports and annual reports. In information, we will have all the latest news about mediation, all the events including this one, articles, newsletters, X and all the rules related to mediation, frequently asked questions, miscellaneous, all the schemes, and then we have conference on mediations, and then we will have handbook of mediators. For this year and all the previous versions will be available there online for you to download. And then in gallery we have photo galleries which will have photographs on all the events, and then we have a video gallery in which you will be able to see all the paper clips from different events. And then RTI will be there as well as support center in which we will have contact, complaints, that means all the mediators will be able to come here and they can give their comments for mediators. And then suggestions and case details. So they can put the case number and they will get the details. Then we have all the news section here and GIS maps. GIS maps, you will see the map of Maharashtra. You will be able to zoom in and all the mediation centers and courts will be plotted on the graphs. The moment you take the cursor on any place like I am taking here, it will show you the number of judge trained mediators, number of advocate trained mediators and number of taluka mediation centers. all will be available on click of a button. So this is about the GIS mapping. And then we will have access to all media, social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and all. So once all the information is available here, the mediators will be able to log on. Each mediator will be assigned a login and password. They will come here, they will put their login here and password, and it will take you to the automatic mediation system. Now I am going to explain how the mediation system will work. Okay. Now I am going to explain the various features of the portal. This portal is developed by using the latest tools and technologies. This is a fully secured portal which is hosted in State Data Center in Mantralaya at Mumbai. This portal will be up and running 24 hours, 7 days a week, so that mediators and litigants can get the information from anywhere at any time. This system is capable of sending the automated SMS and email alerts. So the moment a case is assigned to any mediator, the mediator will get an SMS and an email that a case has been assigned to him, so that he can log into the system and start the processing. It's a complete CMS system, which stands for Content Management System. That means the MMC Main Mediation Center at High Court, Mumbai, they will be able to update the contents of the portal from the office itself. And it's end-to-end flow. That means it will take all the process starting when the case is assigned by the referral judge or coordinator to the mediator. Okay. So in the beginning, we will create a judge masters in which all the information about the judges will be captured. Next, we have a master for coordinators. We are taking the required information and storing in the system. Once the judges database is in place, then we have a mediator master. It's a very smart skill in which it will ask the question of the mediator based on the type of mediator, whether it's a just trained mediators or if it's an advocate mediators. The mediator will be able to upload the complete CV and the photograph as well. Okay. The next step is to register the cases. This system is connected to the existing system to extract the case details. Mediator will to fetch a case, we need to select a district, all the district within that state, and based on the district, taluka will appear, and based on taluka, the code will appear in that column to choose. The user will enter the case number and the year and fetch case. The system will automatically extract the complete case detail from the system. It will take out all details like date, judge and other details. In case the system is not there in the existing system, the new case can be entered here. So next is, after case details, next is stakeholder details, calling parties. So we are covering all type of parties like plaintiff, defendant, witness, advocate, and all. We are capturing the name, the email, the phone number so that we can send the SMS and the address. And then we got save. And that will get added to the existing parties. You can see here. The same way we can add defendant, advocate, from the defined set of reminders. You just say reminder and that reminder will send to the mediator automatically by the system. And then we have various reports. We will be able to see all the cases based on district. We can choose any period, this month, last month, this year, previous year, and these dates will get selected automatically, and then they say go, and it will take out all the details. And later on, you will see a graphical presentation of these reports so that you can do the comparison. You will also see that this is the church, these are the pending cases, these are settled, referred, and success ratio. Next, we can have a judge-wise report, say to the church and date, and it will give you the report. Next is mediator-wise report. It will show you all the mediators, their cases pending, settled, referred, and success ratio. Next is analysis. We want to do based on district also, in which it is showing all the districts here and pending cases with them, settled, and total cases. Here it's a drill down report. If you want to see what are these 5 cases pending with the Mumbai court, or what are these 2 cases settled in Ahmednagar, you just click there and it will take you a drill down report and show all the cases here. And if you further want to see the details of the case, you click here and it will take you further up to case level, in which it will show the case details, the stakeholders, and the current status. Same way we have a pending case district-wise report. How many cases are pending with which district? Then we have pending case report for mediator. It is also with color code. That's it. So there are so many other reports which you will see when you come online. So now I am open to have any questions from the dais or from the audience. Anyone want to ask any question? Okay, never mind. You can ask later from Ganesh or Kachesh, but otherwise also the complete details are available on the portal itself under the section FAQ, frequently asked questions. You can send your questions and make sure your question is replied. Thank you.